The Woodland Pulp LLC mill is located in the northeastern United States on the St. Croix River in Baileyville, Maine. Its unique geographic location on the international boundary with New Brunswick, Canada, situates it only 40 miles from the deepest water port on the east coast of the U.S. in Eastport, Maine.
We have successfully implemented MBOS system. There are many more opportunities for further improvement in this mill. We are confident that we'll turn this mill into a profitable and efficient mill.
Acquired in September of 2010 by the International Grand Investment Corporation with about 320 employees, Woodland Pulp produced just over 385,000 air-dry metric tons of market pulp in 2011 from about 1.4 million green tons of wood procured from both Maine and the province of New Brunswick.
Here at Woodland Pulp, my role is to optimize the pulp operations. When I say optimize, I mean generate pulps or manufacture pulps that will meet customers' requirement at a competitive cost.
The mill owns a hydropower system that includes 10 dams, where hydropower is generated from 2 stations, Grand Falls, located about 8 miles above the mill, and from the Woodland Dam, located at the mill. Each generating station has 9 megawatts of installed capacity. In April of 2012, the mill completed its conversion from No. 6 oil to natural gas when the recovery boiler was converted.
The natural gas conversion project is the most important capital project the mill has completed in the last 25 years. It yields significant cost savings on a sustained basis, and it contributes significantly to the reliability of the mill's ongoing operation.
The State of Maine's Department of Environmental Protection enthusiastically supported our project to convert from oil to natural gas. We received the permits in the span of about 3 months. The DEP recognized early on the sustained environmental benefits that would come from this project.
Woodland Pulp uses the craft pulping process and state-of-the-art elemental chlorine-free bleaching technology. The mill is ISO 9000 and 14000 certified for quality and environmental management systems respectively, as well as certified to FSC, SFI, and PEFC standards.
At Woodland Pulp, we monitor and control our wood chip quality coming to the mill, as well as our in-house and final product specifications in order to more closely meet the goals of our customers and our product quality.
The power for the mill is controlled and monitored through the Power and Utilities Control Room. This room controls and monitors the No. 3 craft recovery boiler, No. 9 power boiler, No. 10 and No. 11 thermal turbine, 2 sets of multiple effect evaporators, as well as all air compressors.
Our internal controls at the facility are designed around supporting IGIC management, mill management, as well as our internal and external auditors. The key being maintaining consistency of controls so that the business can operate efficiently.
The craft chemical pulping process converts wood chips into approximately 1,200 metric tons per day of high-quality hardwood pulp. From chip to ship, the process begins with wood chips. 1/3 are railed into the mill. The other 2/3 are produced from the Fulgham Fibers chip mill, located next to the mill. Logs are trucked in from harvesting, then debarked, then processed to chips all through a fully automated system. Fulgham Fibers then sends the chips to our chip handling area.
The fiber procurement team works hard to procure 4,500 tons a day of fiber to support the mill. We are actively working to improve our quality of fiber to the digester to improve our yield.
The wood chips are cooked in a continuous digester. After the cooking process, the pulp is screened and washed before being pumped to the 5-stage bleach plant. From the bleach plant control room, operators monitor each bleaching stage to ensure the pulp has achieved the desired quality attributes, specifically the proper level of brightness. After the bleaching process, the stock is pumped to high-density storage tanks. From here, the stock is transferred to the pulp dryer, where the pulp sheet is formed, pressed, dried, and cut into sheets to form pulp bales, each of which weighs approximately 250 kilograms. The bales are then compressed, wrapped, strapped, and weighed. Before entering the pulp warehouse for temporary storage, each bale is printed with the Woodland Pulp LLC logo and specific lot number. During this process, key quality control checks are made to ensure pulp quality is properly monitored. The pulp then is conveyed to the warehouse, which has a 14,400 metric ton storage capacity.
Woodland Pulp ships our pulp through the port of Eastport, Maine. Eastport is the deepest natural water port on the East Coast. Eastport is also one day closer to Europe, which is one of our major customers, although our major customer in the world market is China.
From here, the pulp is trucked to the Eastport loading facility. The Port of Eastport is seen as one of the fastest growing cargo ports in all of New England, due to its natural port being one of the deepest available, as well as its easternmost port location in the United States. From the Port of Eastport via the Panama Canal, the transit time usually takes 6 weeks.
We've been using and communicating the principles of MBOS to try to instill a culture of continuous improvement. Continuous improvement, of course, is important to ensure a quality product at a reasonable price, and most importantly, to ensure the future longevity of the facility.
Woodland Pulp consists of a talented management team who bring a broad range of leadership and management experience to the mill. At the core of mill operations is the Management by Olympic System, or MBOS for short. MBOS is a robust management system which transforms plans into results financially and operationally. We expect to see our leaders and managers listening to our people and listening to our customers and stakeholders while proactively implementing actions. This, in turn, helps to achieve goals of a robust cost competitive advantage, as well as creating a positive impact to society.
Woodland Pulp feels our biggest asset is our employees. We appreciate their dedication, their experience, and their knowledge in helping keep our mill competitive.
Strong communications in a company among employers and employees fosters innovation, improves employee morale, and helps avert future business problems. With our daily meetings, idea sharing, newsletters, and information system, we engage in candid communications between our management team and our workers.
Over the last 2 years, we've implemented reliability routes throughout the mill, including inspection by operators and maintenance personnel, which has increased the overall operational uptime in those areas.
Incorporating quantitative and qualitative controlling devices ensure that behaviors are stable and performance results are monitored continually. This leads to quick response to gaps and deficiency. Optimized supply chains drive improved customer service, higher margins, and increased revenue. Critical to operation efficiency and quality, our team does what's right the first time.
In production, we're focusing on quality, safety, and the environment. And while we're doing this, we're trying to minimize costs and maximize our production here at Woodland Pulp.
Woodland Pulp LLC is a modern pulp mill regarded as an efficient bioenergy plant. Approximately 20% of our electrical generation is derived from our own hydropower system. The majority of our mill's power is produced from burning 380 gallons per minute of black liquor in our recovery boiler. The other key fuel sources are natural gas and hog fuel. The team at Woodland Pulp strives to achieve safety, environmental, and quality excellence while improving on results faster than the competition in all operational elements. Our management team works closely with employees to develop a culture which is defined by our guiding principles and to grow our ability to understand and apply the MBOS philosophy and tools in decision-making and management of operations. Customers demand the highest quality, and at Woodland Pulp, we deliver it to them. Every step of the process of creating pulp is watched carefully by our quality control experts to assure our customers' demands are met on a sustained basis. Our mission is to offer our clients and partners exceptional quality, service, and support in their pulp needs. The team at Woodland Pulp strives to be leaders in customer satisfaction, employee safety, maintaining a high degree of integrity in all of our business dealings, and to work continuously to improve our performance while lowering environmental impact.